the recent news about some rent-a-car driver and occupants having had some altercation with some taxi driver or owner and some locals about some parking issue in the coastal belt in North Goa, and the consequent decision of theirs to cut short their holiday and go back home. First, initially looks to be something very shocking, but I want to say one thing, and this is something which I say from my experience and I don't say it off the cuff. We have had very good tourists coming to Goa. We have had international tourists, class tourists, we had charter tourists coming. Today we see riff-raff of tourists coming here. People who think they have got money, they can throw money, hire vehicles and drive as they want. I think enough of this kind of tourists, and the tourists also must learn how to behave when they go to places, whether in Goa, whether they go out of Goa, whether they go abroad. It's a shame when our Indians go anywhere and create nuisance. I have seen myself people taking a rent-a-car and driving as if there is no tomorrow. They drive at breakneck speed, they cut in any place which they want, they come out from any road without even waiting, they drive on the wrong side without bothering that there is a one way of the traffic. They also take a turn when they have realized, even on the Atal Setu, when they go there and they feel that they have taken this bridge wrongly, on the bridge they take a turn, U-turn and start coming back on the wrong side. Yesterday night, while I was going for a function at Mapsa, near the taxi stand, there was a rent-a-car coming on the wrong direction, and they were all girls. The girl was driving and all girls were in the vehicle. I told my driver, stop, block that vehicle. I got down myself and I told them, this is wrong side. And the girl cheekily tells me, oh, we are just going there. I said, go back and go around and come the proper way. Don't take shortcuts and make accidents over here. So people here have to suffer. I have also heard that these people, after making accident, pay a paltry sum to the other side to settle the matter, and then the owner of the rent-a-car has to pay a hefty bill thereafter, even after claiming from insurance. I think this kind of riff-raff tourists must be stopped. There are people who think that because they have got some money in their pockets, that they own Goa, or they can think that they are like feudal lords who come here to lord over our people. Goans are very simple. Goans may not be as rich as the way you portray yourselves to be. Goans may not be that showy, but Goans have a sense of pride and honor. And I will tell you one thing, the Goans will not let their guard down when it comes to this, even if they are poor. So I ask every tourist who comes to Goa, please behave, you come respectfully, we will also respect you. And that's the way tourism always flourished in Goa. People came, and even when they asked for directions, I remember as a small boy giving them directions properly. Today, the way they come, the air they portray, the styles which they want to show, I think these are third-class tourists who are coming, and we don't want this kind of tourists. Definitely, I don't think Goa tourism wants to promote this kind of tourism for Goa, which will only come and bring bad name, spoil the image of Goa, and in the process, others who come to Goa will say Goa is not a good destination because of people like these.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.